are we allowed to invite men by opening up a button or two as it's an invitation?
It's an invitation.
Obviously.
No, I
if a man
I'm not.
looks at it, he's permitted to look at it.
Of course. No. I totally agree with
Lovely,
that.
ma'am, क्या बात है? Yeah.
I totally agree. No,
Yeah,
I'm not.
You agree with me?
I'm not defending a woman who's opening up with a certain intention.
Yeah.
And if she's going to expect something to happen, I'm
Whether
sure
it
that
is
would happen.
intentional or not intentional, even if it is open, a man is obviously has to look at it, you know. Even a woman will look at it.
No,
and
I
also,
agree.
you know,
Can I
we need
answer?
to, as women, we need
Can I
to
answer
dress
you?
up. 1 minute. And as women, we need to dress up according to the environment, isn't it?
I don't think so. I really
We are not
think.
supposed to wear, revealing dresses and walk on the streets. That's what even women
I
do.
disagree with you. I understand where you're coming from. I agree that they cannot be a very irresponsible whatever kind of dressing up when you're in a workplace. I totally agree with you on that. But if it reaches a point where a man sitting in front of you, if you open up 2 buttons, thinks that you are a easy person or thinks that you will probably take whatever that's going to come after that, I think that's absolutely wrong. And I think the way you're talking right now, I think you come very close to a certain statement that was made today by someone who said that women shouldn't wear makeup and shouldn't dress up pretty because they are then calling for unwanted attention. I mean, are we saying that we are very close to putting ourselves, dressed from top to bottom? I don't.
No,
Anyway, we're not
I'm
talking
saying
about that
what,
right
I
now.
mean, what
A
ma'am
man
is
is
saying
always-
is, what your
I mean,
point
you should
is,
take it as a compliment.
if a
That's
woman,
what I feel.
if a woman on a beach wears a bikini, what are you looking at?
Obvious.
What are you looking at?
A
as a
man-
woman?
But that doesn't mean that,
compliment.
no, but that
Unless
doesn't
and
mean,
until-
but that
unless
doesn't
and
mean that you will start harassing her. It doesn't mean that
No,
you will
you
start
don't.
What
molesting
is
As a-
harassment? Unless and until he turns physical.
No, sorry, no, you
A
got
glance,
that. No,
a
no,
glance
no, no,
or two is permitted, you know.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you like to be looked at, Chitrangada?
No, that's
Honestly,
fine.
you
Okay,
come.
in the words of Shatrughan Sinha, Khamosh.
Okay. Now, Chitrangada.
No, I disagree
when
with
you
her. I
dress
disagree
up,
with her.
when you dress up, like today you have dressed up, wouldn't you like me to look at you and say, wow, man, you're looking really hot? Or would you like me to say, hey, मैं नहीं देख सकता हूँ?
Oh, see, no. I mean, I don't think we've got it right here. I think sexual harassment means when it comes to your attention reaches a point where I am feeling uncomfortable about myself and I feel somewhere I'm feeling a little violated. That's the point.
Okay,
I think
sorry
when you
to-
reach that point is when it is harassment. Especially for your ma'am out there. That's my
Rangana,
answer.
Our
we'll have
film addresses all these questions.
Yeah.
All
So
these
picture
questions
देखना
we
पड़ेगा।
can
Watch the
keep
film.
going back and forth on. Our film Inkar addresses all these questions. What is a violation and what is not a violation?